Okay, let's go.
Alright everybody, so I have been restoring some parts, blacking them out with some high heat paint. A little drying racks all set up. Thermostat housing is going to be done as well. Thermostat and throttle body both in black. Got all this stuff for sale. Obviously one of the turbos is destroyed, so you know, there's one good one though. Kind of cleaned up everything. And then once one of these nice intakes, these bad boys are going to powder. I think I got a little crack forming right there, so I'm gonna weld that and then get it powder coated in ceramic as well. There's a little glimpse of before and after some of the painstaking process of restoring. And here is what we're looking at. Everything cleaned up. Obviously I had new covers and my upper and lower intake plenum, fuel rails, all that stuff is going to be completely replaced. But everything's looking great. Got all the rust busted, some acids, and everything's going pretty good. Some more stuff to restore over there. I'm going to break down my power steering pump, redo all the seals. Still fighting with that, but we'll get it eventually. Yeah, this is the workstation, the battle station. This is the spot where I sit some rusty stuff to not be rusty anymore. Got these all cleaned up. They're also going to go to powder. My awesome tank. Can't go anywhere without that. But yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning this probably this upcoming week. I'm going to see if I can't find a new place for that. And once all this is cleaned up, probably going to drop the lower control arms, refresh everything on those, tear that out, try and redo my brake lines that I accidentally cut off, and then start the tedious process of redoing some of this wire loom and deleting about 4 of the system's wiring that I've removed from this. But yeah, this is where we're at. I know I haven't made a video in a little while. I actually have 2 of them queued up, but I'm kind of waiting for some more stuff to get here to finish up the videos appropriately. Yeah, let me know in the comments kind of what you guys want to see. I have a lot of stuff going back into the car, and I plan to document that a little heavier than disassembly. Disassembly is a little bit easier than assembly sometimes. So yeah,